YouTubers, it's me, Kinghuman. And today I'm going to give you a break. I'm going to give you such a gift, you won't believe it. I'm going to give you the gift of not having to look at my ugly face during this video. And I'm going to make this a short video. Double gift, bonus on top of bonus. It's a hat on a hat. But anyway, here's what's doing. Real quick, real down and dirty. I want to give you guys a way to make passive income, and it's all going to be 100% free. When I say 100% free, I mean 100% free, down to the ground. And if you watch this entire video, at the end, I'm going to give you a cool bonus that's worth a couple of $100 too. So anyway, here's what's doing. Let me show you this. This is a website that I created, and it's called freeincomesoftware.com. Now, you're going to want to come here because what I've done is I've made three or four training videos that shows you exactly what this is and exactly how you can get it for free. So, and I say free, I mean totally free. Unclench your pucker butt. I'm not selling you anything here, right? So anyway, come to freeincomesoftware.com and just click on this red button, and then you'll get into the members area, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, once you click on the red button, you're going to be taken to this members area, and here's an introductory video, here's module 1, here's module 2, and really that's all there is to it. There's not a lot of training here. It's not going to take you hours and hours. You're going to be up and running with this in like 5 minutes after you watch this training. So very cool. And here's the free bonus. I'm going to give you, I'm not sure if you can see it here, but this website right here, you're going to get that website free. And that website is an automated income robot that works for you 24/7 on autopilot. And when I say it's free, it's free. There's no hosting fees. There's no domain name fees. There's nothing. No fees at all. And it is an automated income robot. And I got a free bonus video for you here. It's probably going to piss you off. I hope it does. I mean, it pisses me off. Anyway, okay, enough of my stupidity. Do it, don't do it, it's up to you. Now, this is proven. I have proven this to work, and I wanted to teach you guys exactly what I did to get the results that I got. Because when I say this is proven to work, I made $7,188 with this without even trying. And I didn't have to sell anybody anything. You're not going to sell anybody anything. This is pretty slick. So, in fact, look, I'll show you proof. Okay, here's my dashboard, and oh, it's even gone up since I last looked. It was $7,100.88. Now it's $73,38.40. And again, when I say this is something that you're going to be able to do because all the work, all the setup, everything is done for you, I'm not joking. I put this out. This takes zero work, and it works on autopilot. Again, I'm not going to go into it. I want this to be a really short video. This is real, right? This is not pie in the sky nonsense. So one more time, do it, don't do it. It's entirely up to you. Come to freeincomesoftware.com. Take these classes. I mean, you don't even have to look at this one. It's $243. It is an introductory video. It will tell you some things. The next video is only almost 7 minutes long. And the next video is a little bit longer, 19 minutes and 48 seconds. So you've got probably about a half an hour's worth of videos to watch. But once you watch that, you're going to be totally set up in business with literally maybe about 4 clicks of your mouse, and you could potentially make what I made. And how hard was it for you to make that, Kinghuman? It was so easy. It was copy and paste. And again, I didn't sell anybody a thing. I gave them a piece of software for free. And that's really powerful, right? So if you can copy and paste, you can do this. And you know, it's a free pull at the slot machine. I'm not going to try and sell you on it. It is what it is, right? You're either into it. I know you guys are shell shocked from all kinds of hypey stuff that's out there. And if you notice, I'm not hitting you with a bunch of emails telling you to buy stuff. I'm not making a bunch of videos about the latest money-making shiny object that's out there. I'm just not doing that because there's so much junk out there. And I don't want to just be somebody that only cares about themselves, right? This is about you. This is making you money, right? So anyway, again, do it, don't do it. What do I care? I don't care what you do, guys. I'm not selling you nothing. All right, there it is. One more time, freeincomesoftware.com. I made this website for you, and you can also get that website that I'm showing you right there. I know it's small. You're going to get that totally free. It's going to be your income robot. It's all going to be explained in the members area. What do you want from me? Go away. You bother me. So annoying.